talk to Secret Garden. This is going to be a very interesting project. We're going to be using a privacy fence made of, I can't say the name properly, so I'll wait to show you a picture of it. But the privacy fence is going to go all along this fence here. And the plan for the Secret Garden, let me change colors here, is I've already got it outlined, but I'm going to put a pond right in here. This tree is going to go away. Now, before I can actually put up any of the trees or the shrubs or the butterfly garden or anything, the pond's got to be dug first because I'm going to need an excavator or something to dig it. So if you know anybody that wants to loan me or an excavator, I would love to have one or borrow one for a little bit. But the pond's going to go right there. And it's going to be the basis for the Secret Garden. And then the same tree that we're going to use as for the privacy fence will also go like this, and then this will come in like this, and then we'll put a gate right there. And then this might actually, let me see, clear. Go back to the pond. You saw where the pond's actually going to be quite big. It's going to have a waterfall in it. I have a pipe running this way that I know of. I also have a pipe over here somewhere, or where it's got a water tap on it, and there's one over in here somewhere. So in order to irrigate this whole thing, I'm going to be finding out where this is at and digging and going that way. So let's clear this again. And okay, so the pond's going to be here. The privacy fence will be going all on the inside. It's going to be made of a tree, so it's a living privacy fence. Now, I'm not exactly sure how far out we're going to go, but then the same tree that we use for a living privacy fence, we're going to go like this, like that, and of course this one will come in like that. Of course there'll be an entrance here, and then in here we're going to put butterfly gardens. Just make it really, really nice so that maybe in the future if somebody is getting married and they want their wedding photos taken, they can come here. Of course, that'll be all free. We don't charge anything for that. And, if people want to take family pictures and whatnot, basically just for the community to be able to, do stuff like that. But actually, the pond is actually not really there because I've already drew the outline of the pond. It's actually because there's a main water line here, and I don't know if it goes over to, you can see this little dot here. That's where my water meter is at. So I don't know if it goes like that or not, but the pond is going to be just about like that. It's going to be a big one. Of course, the waterfall will be up in here. And at the middle, right there, is going to be about, I want it to be about 6 to 8 feet deep, so that we can put fish and whatnot in there. And of course, it'll have something else I want to put in there is a drain pipe, so that if I want to drain the water, or if I need to drain the water, I'll have a drain pipe going over here so that I can drain it. And then, of course, like I said, I'd kind of like it way out here, so because the bigger the garden, the prettier, I think. But me and my wife will discuss everything that we're going to be doing. So that's going to be that. Let's go back to discard. This is a tree that we're going to be using for a privacy fence. It's extremely fast growing. If you buy the 10 of the 4 to 5 feet, they cost about $100. It's going to be, it's pretty cheap for a full grown tree, and they can grow up as high as 30 feet, I believe. Of course, we'll probably cap them, because if you want them to stop growing, you just cut the top of the tree and then keep it maintained, and I'll probably keep it about 16 to 20 feet tall. But that'll be the living fence going all the way around the property, but it will also be the part where we can, I'm trying to think of the word, use the tree also as a privacy fence for the secret garden, so that it will be secret. And of course it's going to be, we want it to be well groomed, well maintained, so that it's just absolutely beautiful, and a nice little place for someone just to go and kind of just think or meditate, or anything like that, or in the future if somebody wants to take wedding photos or whatnot. So that's that. And now I'll show you the video of actual where we're going to be going. All right, so this is going to be the pond idea. Of course the waterfall will be back here all the way up and through, and of course the trees will be all along down through here. It'll be a big privacy fence and all along that back fence. So this is basically the pond idea. Trying to see if I can get a good picture of it. So this is going to be and it's going to go all the way down. All the way down. I think it's going to be really big. So actually, let me set up the camera so you can actually see, because the lines are kind of faded because we had a rain a couple days ago. So let's see, the end of the waterfall's right here. There we go. Don't know how much. So that's the end of the waterfall there. Of course, right here would be. And in the middle, we want 6 to 8 feet. Now we got a main pipeline, main water line right here. It's right there. Of course, we got another one over there. But it's going to be this huge full-on area that's going to be the basis for this. So I'm hoping to bring the trees all the way down to here. It's kind of hard to show. I need to get a one of those drones. But this whole area, and far over back over into here, is going to be the secret garden, where hopefully we'll have everything set up that for butterflies. And so I mean, I'd kind of like it all the way back to here. Of course Kathy will be the one that decides everything because she's a lot better. But as you can tell, I mean, it's going to be a big secret garden, with the focal point being the tree. So that's that. Alright, so that's going to be the basic of what the layout of the secret garden. I tried to show it the best I could with what I have available. I'm looking really forward to starting it. Of course, I want to hand dig the pond just so we can hurry up and do it. But Kathy says she wants me to use a machinery, so I have to wait. And I'm hoping to do that this year, but with things being so tight right now, I don't know, but it's always good to plan, so that's what we've done. And this will be the last time that I'm using the camcorder that I have been using, thanks to my mom. My mom, big shout out to her, got me a new camcorder. So, from now on, I will be vlogging with this. It's a brand new camcorder that comes with a microphone, so hopefully my speech and whatnot will not be so impeded or not sound very good. And it also comes with a sunshade, or it helps block some of the light so there's not big transitions. So looking really forward to using this. Just picked up an SD card. Oh, the best part is I can, instead of having to reach around like I normally would, like sometimes at the end of videos you'll see me doing this. That's so I can shut the video camera off. This one I don't have to because it comes with a remote. So I can start it, stop it, zoom in, zoom out, whatever. So big shout out to my mom. I really appreciate it, Mom. Love you, and look forward to using it. And got two battery packs because I run out of battery a lot. Like right now, my camcorder is hooked up to the power supply because the battery started running dead. That's just the way it goes, I guess. And so look forward to using the new camcorder very, very soon. So big shout out to my mom. So thank you. And as for the secret garden goes, I have to show you the layout. Maybe in another video after I've talked with my wife, maybe I can get her to, stop being so camera shy and get on, and we can talk together about the layout, and maybe we both can talk to you all about what our dream is for the secret garden. I personally want it to be big. I think my wife wants it to be big. And like I said, when it's finally done, it's not only going to be for our enjoyment, it's going to be our enjoyment, relaxation, our a place to go to just sit and just listen to the water running, and maybe some birds coming in and butterflies, watching butterflies. So, but when later on, if somebody is like, hey, we want to take a wedding, can we take a wedding photo shoot in your secret garden, or a family wants to take family pictures there, we want to extend that out to the community as well. So so that's about it for this week's video. I'm sorry it's kind of short, but that's just the nature of the beast right now. So I got next Friday I'll be doing a new video. It's going to be about something that I have just taught myself. So we're looking forward to doing that. And so like I always say, I hope that you take care of yourselves. I hope that you take care of each other. I really appreciate you watching, and thank you for all the new subscribers last year. This has been an amazing year. I've had over 700 new subscribers, and it just kind of blows my mind. I just kind of wanted to share my journey and my family's journey of us doing what we're doing, and I appreciate everybody watching and taking the time to support the channel by watching and commenting and hitting the like button. And if you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you for letting us bring our small little journey into your home and into your family's life. It means the world to me. And so I thank you and look forward to seeing what 2021 is going to bring us. All right. I hope you take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and have a blessed day.